In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Jetstream Federal Credit Union online. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link jetstreamfcu.org. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Jetstream Federal Credit Union. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. Now right over here, you'll be able to find the section for online banking. What you have to do is simply click on this option, Secure Login. Now you'll be redirected to the new tab. From this interface, you'll be able to log in to your online banking account. You'll be able to find two options over here, password, biometric. So if you want to sign in with your password, you can click on this option, password. If you want to sign in with biometric, you can also click on this option, biometric. After you do that, you'll be able to sign in with the biometric. Here I'm just going to sign in with password. So what you have to do is enter the username over here. Make sure to enter the correct username. Now click on the filter password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your username or password, you'll be able to recover it by simply clicking on this option, forgot username or password. After you recover them, make sure to enter it over here. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen and you'll be signed in to your account. So that is how you log in Jetstream Federal Credit Union online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.